Do not think that Allah is unaware of what the wrongdoers do. In the face of oppression, never lose hope. Here are 5 impactful steps you can take to support Palestine during these critical times. Number 1. Make heartfelt dua and qunut. Pray for the safety and liberation of Palestinians. Let our homes and masajid resonate with supplications. Number 2. Donate generously to reputable aid organizations on the ground. Your contributions provide food, water, medicine, and shelter to save lives. Number 3. Raise awareness through social media. Share stories and statistics to educate others about the occupation. Our voices can inspire change. Number 4. Teach your families and children about the importance and history of Palestine. The land is sacred and should be dear to the heart of the believer. Number 5. Understand the root cause is illegal occupation. This injustice must end. Advocate for Palestinian freedom and dignity. Let the path forward be clear. Support your Palestinian brothers and sisters in their struggle. Stand united against oppression. Speak truth to power. Palestine deserves justice. Let our faith guide us on this righteous path. Together, we can make a real difference for the people of Palestine. Hasbi Allahu wa ni'mal wakeel. Allah alone is sufficient for us, and He is the best disposer of affairs.